Hello! Today we're celebrating our 100th month anniversary. We've been together for 8 years and 4 months.
Yep.
Our wedding's coming up soon, so stay tuned. But today we're gonna do a couple Disneyland vlog.
Yeah. Right now it's very early. It's 6 a.m.
We were supposed to leave at 5:15, but as usual I took too long to get ready. The reason why we have to go super early is because they just opened Avengers Campus, and we love everything Marvel related. So
Yeah.
we want to go in as early as possible.
For sure.
If you've been following us, you probably know we love Disneyland. It's our stress reliever place, and we've been waiting for this day for so long.
Yay! We're waiting for the gates to open.
We've never been this early before.
Never ever.
We couldn't fall asleep for like 4 hours last night.
Yep.
We were supposed to sleep at like 9. At midnight, we woke up together and decided to watch Avengers Endgame.
And then we woke up at 4. It's starting!
Woo!
We're in!
You wanna line up for this photo?
Yeah, let's line up for this. We're entering the sanctum.
Back to Strange. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
We're at the Pim Test Kitchen. We're so happy that we're here. Super happy.
Come on in while we prep for your test drive on the Slinger. We'll be starting in just a few moments.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Webb we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like Vibranium from Wakanda. And I could use some help.
You know the drill. Please step into the vehicle, take a seat, and put on those Web Vision targeting glasses. They'll help you find...
We're in third this day.
Number 3.
Number 3.
I bet the score sucks.
Yeah.
But we're early, that's why.
Alright, I'm doing some upgrades on the suit. Should I fine-tune the transceptor circuit or update my playlist?
Update your playlist.
Picture time, you and me, step it up.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Cool.
We're here for our favorite ride, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yes.
Rock and unplug you and start things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Hey, is that Disneyland?
Disneyland is cleared for takeoff! Here we go! See you right now!
I won't ask a second time.
So hot. Ooh. We'll get this instead. We like to collect magnets for our fridge. She's so cute.
Oh, it's a fluffernutter churro.
It's our favorite churro from Disneyland. Peanut butter, marshmallow, and chocolate chips. Here we go! Woo! It's coming!
The big drop is coming.
We're not even stopping, we're just going straight down. Oh, your hair's okay.
I got lucky. I got ready.
Oh, you're safe. Oh, you're not safe. Oh my god.
这要喷多久啊？
Putting on sunscreen again for like the 4th time.
It's super sunny today.
Yeah, we're already pretty dry. We're gonna get wet again later from Splash Mountain.
Five, four, three, two, one, go!
Blue dot! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's our first time getting this one. Thank you. Wow. We only have the small ones at home. Oh shit.
Yeah. We only have this one and this one. We're now in the other park, Disneyland.
We got some coffee. Gonna be us soon.
Brazos, pies y piernas
We're gonna get real wet today. Oh, I'm wet. I'm sleepy.
Right now, we are waiting for our Rise of the Resistance.
Virtual queue to be called.
Now we're resting because we're tired.
My feet are slowly dying. It's huge.
Millennium Falcon.
The rookie who flies the Millennium Falcon. Is he here?
It's time.
Keep your units together.
Done right. Lieutenant, I need eyes on back. Line up. Stafford's pocket. Permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos.
Our fave. Brisket, mac and cheese, and Monte Cristo. Do you want hand seam?
Sure. Gotcha.
Oh my. I'm glad we got both. We're back. Didn't have anything else to do, so we came back, lined up for Avengers Campus and Guardians of the Galaxy.
It's a 65 minutes.
It's an hour wait.
Yeah, but to get into Avengers Campus, it only took 15 minutes.
Awesome. We also ordered food for right after this ride, so that'll be the last two things for today. Everything turned out perfect.
Disneyland. I thought it was a magic.
All right, recruits, can I get your order number, please? All right. And that should be everything for you.
Thank you.
Your recruits have a great night.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy, you guys.
We are heading home now.
Amazing ending the night at Avengers Campus where we started this morning.
Yep. We'll see you next time.
Yay! Hope you guys had fun watching us at Disney. We had fun. Have a great day. See ya!
Bye.